So once we get that, we will evaluate the expression by first subbing in a for x and subtract that from when x equal to 0. So we have the following. So this is the first term and subtracted by the second term. And because a and c are the parameters, so there is nothing more we can do. So the next example, it's the same thing. We are going to plug u as 3x cubed minus 1. The reason why we do this substitution is because once we take the derivative of this expression, the exponent will be reduced by 1. So right away, I'm going to take the derivative of u with respect to x. And that gives us 9x squared dx. So have a look at the original expression. In the original expression, we still got the variables x squared and the dx. So my objective is to manipulate this expression in a way such that I get x squared dx. Sorry, there should be no dx here. And this implies that we get 1 over 9 du is x squared dx. So I just rearranged it. Now I'm going to rewrite the whole integral in terms of u's. So the 8, I will just take it out. And the 3x cubed minus 1 will be substituted with a u to the exponent of 16. And x squared dx will be substituted with 1 over 9 du. So I'll take out the 1 over 9 as well. And multiply by 8, integral of u to the 16 du. So that's 8 over 9. Integrating this expression is easy, so we get u to the 17 over 17 plus c. And I'm going to sub in the value for u, so we get 8 over 9, and u is 3x cubed minus 1 to the exponent of 17 over 17 plus. So the next two examples, similarly, I'm going to let u equal to 1 plus ln x. So right away, I'm going to get du over dx, the derivative of u with respect to x. That's just 1 over x. And I'm going to rearrange it in a way such that it will substitute for dx over x. So the only thing I need to do is to move the dx to the right-hand side. So du is going to substitute for 1 over x dx. So first I'm going to evaluate the integral. First I'm going to integrate it, and then I'm going to evaluate it. So 1 plus ln x, I sub in with a u. dx over x, I'm going to sub in with a du. Because du is equivalent to 1 over x dx. So this is an expression that's easy to integrate. So we get u squared over 2 plus c. Because this is a definite integral, we need to evaluate the bounds. So first I'm going to sub in u as 1 plus ln x squared over 2. And this expression I will evaluate going from 1 to e. So when I plug in e for x, I get 1 plus ln e squared divided by 2 minus 1 plus ln 1 divided by 2. So that's 0. And that gives you 1. So this becomes 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 squared is 4. Divided by 2 is 2. Minus a half. So we get 3 over 2. So this question is a bit tricky. And the variable that we substitute for u, sometimes it will depend. There is no definitive way of assigning the value for u. Sometimes you will just have to practice a lot of questions and it will become natural as to what you're going to substitute for u. So next, I'm going to sub in u, in this case is being root 1 plus x squared. So this is another strategy that I will apply to this question. In this case, before I take du over dx, I am going to convert this expression to 1 plus x squared to the exponent of 1/2. So this implies that if I were to manipulate this, we get u squared being 1 plus x squared. Okay? And further manipulating this, we get x squared being u squared minus 1. So let's keep that in mind, and we will use that at some point. So next we find du over dx. Du over dx is a half times that multiplied by 2x. So the 2's cancel out. Now here we have 1 plus x squared to the exponent of a half du is x dx. So what I did here was that I moved this expression to the left-hand side, and I moved dx to the right-hand side. So we get that. And this expression here is equivalent to u, just like how we defined it in the first step. So we sub in u for this expression. So u du is x dx. Okay. Now, I'm going to make a substitution. So the original expression was integral of x cubed, but I will write x cubed in terms of x squared times x multiplied by square root of 1 plus x squared dx. And so x squared is what? X squared can be plugged with u squared plus minus 1. And x dx is u du. And root 1 plus x squared is just u times u du. So in other words, this got substituted by this got substituted by the u, and x dx got substituted by u du. So now, don't forget that we still need to integrate this expression. So we get integral of u to the 4 minus u squared du. And this is an easy expression to integrate. And the last thing is we will sub in the original expression for the u's. So the u expression was root 1 plus x squared